Welcome to Eligio Business Solutions webinar series. We're a business technology consulting firm specializing in software consulting, implementation guidance, training, and tech support. In other words, we are committed to helping you grow your business through digital transformation. Today, we're going to learn about SugarCRM's SugarHint plugin, which is a relationship intelligence service that makes external information available for your contacts and leads in Sugar. And to do that, we have Shelby Lemers here with us, who is a product expert and a solutions consultant at Eligio. So let's dive in.
So SugarHint lives in any module where there's information required on an individual or a business. So that's going to be leads, contacts, and accounts. SugarHint, again, is an optional paid plugin. It's known as the Relationship Intelligence plugin. It uses AI to offer intelligent data on your prospect or your contact. SugarHint is available to all SugarCell users, or Sugar users, excuse me. As a sales professional, I absolutely love this tool. The average sales professional spends a shocking 65% of their time on admin tasks and other work-related activities, and only 35% of their time doing what they do best, and that is selling and building relationships, right? Hint will reduce your hours of admin time every day, and all you need for it to do its job is your prospect's email address. Hint is part of Sugar's no-touch philosophy, enabling you to manage more relationships and capture your prospects' interests. So we will start in leads today, and we'll create a new lead. So let's say, for example, you just went to a networking event and you've collected a whole bunch of business cards, and you need to add your prospect's company's name or email address into the system. So we'll use Mr. Jeff Bezos as an example. He takes all of my money. We might as well give him a little more attention. So just enter his email address here and name at the top. Amazon.com, and we'll save that and see what Hint spits out for us. So we'll click back into the lead that we've just created, and in our intelligence panel we'll switch on Hint. Hint is a great example of the value you get from your SugarCRM being greater than the information that you've just put in, which is what you want out of a CRM. You want it to work for you, not the other way around. So all I needed was an email address, and as you can see, Hint has given me a much closer look into my lead. If you need to figure out how you can immediately deliver value to your potential client, Hint will help you uncover that at your fingertips. I now have information on Mr. Jeff at the top. Possibly have links to his socials, a link to his website. I have information on the company, links to the company's socials. And if I scroll down, I have news-related articles on Amazon, and these are in real time. So 11 minutes ago, there was just an article that I can read up on. This plugin allows your team to work faster, work better, smarter, easier, and it is an absolutely divine representation of what data input should look like. Because if I just click this little cloud up here, it is going to save and enrich my lead profile with all of the information that it pulled from the internet with one click of a button. So Hint is pulling data from 70 plus different data points on the internet just by using an email. So it does all the work for you. You don't need to spend time researching your prospect. It accelerates your call prep time. If we jump over to contacts and we were to select an existing contact, Miss Melissa Cunningham, I can filter in the Hint page. I can scroll down to the news section, and I can filter which type of news-related articles I would like to view. This is an incredibly helpful tool for me to build and maintain rapport with my existing client. It eliminates the research and prep time before I make a call. And it's all recent and up to date. So it looks like I've done my due diligence on this client. It just may help me solve a problem for them as well, right at the hop. And, maybe I discovered that they've just got another round of funding or something, and they've got some money to burn. There's lots of opportunity here to take advantage of that news feed. So you can free up some more time for your teams to do what they do best with Hint. And it's an incredibly powerful feature to leverage your time and your daily routines. So hopefully you're as excited about Hint as I am. And if there's any questions, now would be a great time before moving on. Yes, Hint is available at a 1-to-1 ratio. So for example, if you had, let's say, 10 licenses of SugarCell, then you would need 10 licenses of the SugarHint. I mean, it's as good as any Google search that you're conducting. If you find some of the information is wrong, you can always just scroll down to the Hint section and click on that field and edit it really simply, just like that. But even if there was some information that was incorrect, it's still a great icebreaker, right? It looks like you've attempted to do your research on the client, and I don't think that they would ever fault you for that.
And that's SugarHint. Thanks, Shelby. And thank you for joining us.